Hardware unboxing of the XVC tablet kit. The kit contains everything you will need inside of the Pelican case. The case contains 2 layers. The first layer contains camera cables, bundled together, M12 data connection, and power connector with the tubing on the side for air or water cooling. XVC 1000E or 1100E camera with spare changeable spatter shields. Super clamp for mounting the camera mounting arm on a flat or rounded surface such as a pole. Camera mounting arm. Tablet computer. With attached data and power cables. Also comes with a stylus pen. Hardware unboxing. Bottom layer. Interface box. This will connect to the camera and tablet to provide power and data transfer. It has input for 40 volts from our power supply. Camera data and power connections. Air regulator, if using air cooling. Tablet arm to mount the tablet on a nearby surface. Both ends are easily adjustable using knobs. Interface box power supply. The system can also be powered by the welding machine if it has a 40 volt output. Tablet power supply. This is not needed but included. The tablet is powered by the interface box. Assembling the system components. 1. Mounting the tablet arm. The tablet arm is easily attached by loosening the knob until it sits over the ball on the rear of the tablet. Position and then tighten to secure. Mount to suitable nearby surface using the clamp on the other end. Two, connect tablet to interface box. Connect the 2 ends of the cables coming from the end of the tablet into the matching interface box connectors. This will be labeled with a computer icon. Three, connect camera cables. Connect the ends of the camera cable into the rear of the camera. Four, connect the other end of the camera cables to interface box. If cooling the system, connect the tube to air or water. Five. Lastly, connect power to the interface box. Turning on the system. Once the system is powered, you will see the lights on the front of the camera flash a few times. You will also see a light illuminate on the front of the tablet. You can now press the green power button on the front of the tablet to turn on the system. From here, everything will launch automatically. The camera will now appear on screen. You can interact with the screen by using the stylus or your finger. It also works with gloves on.